Hi, welcome to my channel. For you, today we'll be learning level 1 part 6 sample questions. Many questions are important in getting command over abacus. That is the reason I'm giving a lot of videos. The first question is 6 minus 1 minus 1. So first add 6. We have to subtract the second digit minus 1. We have subtracted. Now we have to subtract the third digit, which is 1. Small friend of 1 is 4. So subtract 5, add 4. So the answer becomes 4. Now see the next question. It is 8 minus 3 minus 3. First add 8 in one's rod. Now we have 3 to subtract the second digit. So subtract it. Now the third digit is minus 3. What is small friend of 3? It is 2. Subtract 5, add 2, the lower bits. So the answer becomes here 2. Now the next question is 9 minus 4 minus 1. So first add 9 in one's rod. We have the second digit 4 to subtract. So subtract. Now we have to see the third digit, which is minus 1. So subtract 5, add 4, which is small friend of 1. So the answer becomes 4. Now the next question is 5 minus 1 plus 5. Add 5. Now we have to subtract the second digit 1. Small friend of 1 is 4. We know that. So subtract 5, add 4. As of now the answer is 4. Third digit is add 5. We have small friend to add. So the answer becomes 9. The next question is 4 plus 1 minus 1. So first add 4, the 4 lower bits. Now we have to add the second digit 1. Small friend of 1 is 4. So add 5, subtract 4. Third digit is subtract 1. Again we have to go for small friend of 1, which is 4. So subtract 5, add 4. The lower 4 bits you can add. So the answer becomes here 4. Now we'll see the next question. It is 5 minus 1 plus 1. First add 5, the upper bit. We have to subtract 1. Small friend of 1 is 4. We know. So we have to subtract small friend first and add 4. The third digit is add 1. So we added 5 and we have to subtract the small friend of 1, which is 4. So the answer becomes 5. The next question is 2 plus 3 minus 1. First add 2 lower bits. Now we have to add 3. What is small friend of 3? It is 2. So add 5, subtract 2. So the third digit here is subtract 1. So what is small friend of 1? It is 4. So subtract 5, add 4, the lower bits. So the answer becomes here 4. So this is the way we have to do with using small friends. The next question is 18 minus 3 minus 1. It's a 2 digit. So add 1 in ones place, 3 in tens place, and 5 in upper bit. So total becomes 18 now. Now we subtracted the second digit 3. Third digit is subtract 1. So we have to go for small friend of 1, which is 4. So we subtracted 5 and small friend of 1 is 4 now. So we have to add 4. So the answer becomes 10 plus 4, 14. The next question is 5 minus 2 plus 5. So first add 5. We have to subtract 2, the second digit. Na? So small friend of 2 is 3. So we need to subtract 5 and add the 3. Now the third digit is add 5. We have, so added 5. The answer becomes 8. Now the next question is 1 plus 5 minus 2. So first add 1. Now we have 5, na? Add 5 also. And now we have to subtract 2, the last digit. Small friend of 2 is 3. So subtract 5, add 3. So the answer becomes now 4. See the next question. It is 6 minus 2 plus 5. First add 6. Added 6, right? Now we have to see the second digit, which is minus 2. So small friend of 2 is 3. Subtracted 5, added 3. Now we have to add 5. We have, straight away add it. So the answer becomes the maximum number on one's digit, which is 9. The next question is 8 minus 2 plus 5. So first add 8, and now we have to subtract 2. We have subtracted. Now we have to add 5. We don't have, we have to go for big friend here. Big friend of 5 is 5. So we added 10, subtracted 5. Now answer becomes 11. The next question is 7 minus 1 minus 2. So first add 7 in one's rod. Yes, added. Now subtract 1. 1 bead, subtract. So now we have to subtract 2. We have to go for small friend of 2, which is 3. Subtract 5, add 3. So the answer becomes here 4. So see the next question. It is 9 minus 4 minus 2. Place 9 in one's rod. Now subtract all the 4 lower beads, which is the second digit. Now third digit is subtract 2. What is small friend of 2? It is 3. So subtracted 5, add 3 now. So the answer now is 3. Now see the next question. It is 1 plus 4 minus 2. So first add 1. Now we have to add 4. We have to go for small friend. Small friend of 4 is 1. So add 5, subtract 1. Now subtract 1. Now the third digit is subtract 2. We have to go for small friend. Small friend of 2 is 3. So subtracted 5. We have to add 3. So the answer becomes here 3. The next question is 4 plus 2 minus 2. First add 4. So added 4. Now we have to add the second digit 2. So add 5, subtract the small friend of 2, that is 3. Now subtract 3 lower beads. Presently the answer is 6. Now the third digit is subtract 2. We have to go for small friend of 2, which is 3. So subtract 5, add 3. So the answer becomes 4. Now see the next question. It is 5 minus 2 plus 4. The first digit 5, add 5, subtract 2. We have to go for small friend of 2, which is 3. So subtract 5, add 3. Now the last digit is add 4. We have to go for small friend of 4, which is 1. So add 5, subtract 1 lower bead. So the answer becomes here 7. Now see the next question, which is 25 minus 2 plus 5 is 2 digit first. So put 2 in tens place, add 5 in ones place, so 25. Now we have to subtract the second digit 2. Small friend of 2 is 3. So subtract 5, add 3 lower beads. And now the third digit is add 5. We have 5 straight away. So add the 5 in ones place. The answer becomes 20 plus 8, 28. The next question is 7 minus 3 plus 5. So add 7 in one's rod. The second digit is subtract 3. We have to go for small friend of 3, which is 2. Subtract 5, add 2 lower beads. The third digit is add 5. We have 5, straight away add 5. So the answer becomes the maximum number on one's rod, 9. The next question is 5 plus 2 minus 3. First add 5 in one's place and add 2 lower beads, the second digit. Now third digit is subtract 3. We have to see small friend of 3, which is 2. So subtracted 5, added 2. So the answer becomes 4. The next question is 6 minus 3 minus 3. So first add 6. Add 6, we added 6. Now subtract 3, we have to go for small friend of 3, which is 2. Subtract 5, add 2 lower beads. Now the third digit is subtract 3. So subtract all the 3 lower beads. The answer is 0. The next question is 4 plus 1 minus 3. Add 4 lower beads. Add 4 lower beads. Now we have to see the second digit, which is plus 1. What is small friend of 1? 4. So we added 5 and we'll be subtracting all the 4 lower beads. Now the third digit is subtract 3. What is small friend of 3? It is 2. So subtract 5, the upper bead, and add 2 lower beads. So we are adding 2 lower beads. The answer becomes here 2. Now see the next question. It is 9 minus 3 minus 3, which is add 9 in one's rod and subtract 3 lower bits. Now the third digit is subtract 3. What is small friend of 3? It is 2. So subtract 5, add 2 lower bits. So if we add 2 lower bits, the answer becomes 3. Now see the next question. It is 2 plus 3 minus 3. First add 2 lower bits. Now we have to add second digit 3. So small friend of 3 is 2, we know. So add 5, subtract 2 lower bits. The third digit, if we see, it is minus 3. So we have to check what is small friend of 3, which is 2. So subtract 5, add 2 lower bits. So the answer becomes 2. So next question is 1 plus 6 minus 3. First add 1 in one's rod. Now we have to add the second digit plus 6. We have added. Now we have to subtract third digit 3. So small friend of 3 is 2, we know. So subtract 5, add 2 lower bits. So the answer becomes 4. The next question is 20 plus 4 minus 3. So put 2 in tens rods, it becomes 20. Now second digit is 4, so add 4. Third digit is minus 3, so subtracted 3 as we have. So the answer becomes 20 plus 1, 21. Next question is 3 plus 4 minus 3. First add 3 lower bits. Now we have to add 4. What is small friend of 4? It is 1. So add 5, subtract 1 lower bit. And now third digit is subtract 3. So what is small friend of 3? 2. So subtract 5, add 2. So the answer becomes 4. Thank you for watching. If you feel channel is going to be useful, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.